What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Mayap Preferred token. Now, the Mayap Preferred token has just been exploding in price anyways. Over the past, I believe, 30 days, it's in the top gainer section. It might even be number one. Today it's up 4% again. We're going to go over the information on this token and where you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps out there. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, as I'm looking at the chart here, it looks like the 3-month chart has some serious gains in it. There's been some major dips along the way. This is one of those crazy tokens with a crazy price. There's all sorts of mixed comments in here. Some saying scam, some saying bullish. All sorts of different all sorts of different comments here. People arguing in the comment section on CoinMarketCap. The price of this token is $144,751.59. Just an insane price there. And so I haven't gone over this token. When you see a price like that, you think like rebase token or something like that, right? So that's what I would assume at first glance. Now, at the bottom of the webpage, at the bottom of CoinMarketCap, it'll tell you where you can get this token. If you scroll down, so it says 2 different places on here. It says 2 different exchanges, I should say. One is FAT-BTC, and it is paired with Ethereum. And another one is cat.ex, and it's paired with Bitcoin. So you just go onto either one of those platforms on your PC. I'm not sure if you could get those exchanges on mobile. You might be able to. You could always check in the app stores. Now, you would fund your account, obviously. I've never used those exchanges, so I don't even know if those exchanges are safe. So just be aware of that too. Do your research on those exchanges, FAT-BTC and cat.ex. And you would search MAYP on those exchanges because that is the ticker symbol. Now, this is an Ethereum token, and I don't know if they even have an Etherscan. They don't even look like they have an Etherscan on here. If I'm looking at their block explorer, it says blockscout.com. So, I don't know. I don't think you can get this off Uniswap. This might even be on their own chain here or something. So, anyways, let's skip past this here. We'll just go. They have a full white paper on their... and their white paper does not work. That's on CoinMarketCap. And so let's go over to their webpage here. So their webpage is mayapreferred.io. That's where you're going to find most of the information. So it's got a section here that says retirement plan. You can join the retirement plan, or you could join the MEXC VIP membership program. So Mayap Preferred, more secure investment in blockchain. Join our retirement plan and profit every month with no risks. So they have a couple embedded videos that you could watch on their page. So what is Mayap Preferred ERC20 token here? It says Mayap Preferred is a UK financial state-of-the-art ERC20 token built on the Ethereum blockchain and is positioned to become the first cryptocurrency to be successfully used as a monetary instrument for individuals to transfer money worldwide. Not only will Mayap Preferred change the way people transfer money worldwide, but it'll also become the first cryptocurrency to be accepted by many leading retail stores because Mayap Preferred is an ERC20 token built on the Ethereum blockchain. It will be able to execute all these money transfers and payments for a fraction of the fees charged by Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and Western Union. So it says it's convenient, it's fraud resistant, licensed, instant, and zero to low fees. So why would you get Maya Preferred? Well, transparency. Maya Preferred offers, I hate it when the page moves when you're trying to read. Maya Preferred offers 100% transparency in terms of coinage and technical features in future projects. It's reliable. So it says architecture to meet high availability with a fail-safe architecture and backup facilities in place. Maya Preferred offers high uptime and provides peace of mind when it comes to safe storage of your data. Also stability. The first coin backed by gold and silver, which guarantees a minimum price per coin. And it says most secure wallets offer private exchange services using a licensed and regulated bank. Now, I always find that weird. Like, how do I know where, like, how much gold and silver they have? Where can I see this? Like, do you guys got a video of like the dev just like sitting by all these bricks of like gold and silver, and they're like, "What up? Check out all this gold and silver." You know what I'm saying? Like, how do I know? You know, is that KYC'd? They should do that. They should KYC that. They should, if you're gonna say like you're backed by something, let's have some kind of outside company verify that or something. Fly over to your vault and check out all your riches. You know what I'm saying? Count them up, weigh them, check the purity, all that type of stuff. So it says there's a total supply of 1 million tokens. Price per token backed by gold and silver, it says $30,000. And minimum investment is one token. But if we look at the price now, it says $144,922 on their page. So it's a lot more than 30,000 is what they're saying. And yeah, it says they're listed here on FATBTC and CAT Exchange, and it doesn't have anywhere else. Now it says read our documents full white paper. Let's see if this one works. So I'm going to click on it, and nothing's happening. So their white paper is not working right now, even the one on their webpage. Their team is doxed on here. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 members doxed. A couple of them have LinkedIn addresses, full names, faces, and job titles. So you can check out their team members on their webpage. Partners are Asset Rush, CoinMarketCap, Blockspot.io, CoinList, Buzzing, Asset Rush, and did I say that already? And AB Newswire, and one other one that doesn't have a name for some reason. They got lots of news articles, so they have also updates and stuff like that you can check out. Frequently asked questions. Lots of documents here. Looks like they do have documents on probable gold and silver reserve value reports. Okay, so maybe they do have that doxed. I don't know. I mean, I need to look into this token a lot more here. MayaPreferred.io, you can find info, and you can find them on CoinMarketCap as well. They are the top gainer, I believe, for the past 3 months or 1 month, either one of the two on CoinMarketCap. So check them out. I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace.